Hey there, YouTube family. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of animated video creation. Just a few years back, making an animated video was like super challenging and pretty expensive. The tools were scarce, and oh boy, not everyone could get their hands on them. But times have changed, and now, well, pretty much anyone can jump into creating stunning animated videos. We've got all these cool effects, text, voiceovers, transitions, soundtracks, you name it. And the tools, they're just a click away. So let's get into it and check out some of the best video editors for animations that are super user-friendly. And trust me, you'll be rocking these tools in no time. All right, first up, we've got Adobe Animate. Adobe is like the big kahuna when it comes to video editing tools. No matter your project, Adobe's got your back. Adobe Animate. Oh, it's a gem for animation. It's like the souped up version of the old Adobe Flash Professional. For those of you who've dabbled in Adobe Flash, you'll find Adobe Animate pretty familiar. Adobe's kept the interface similar, but boosted it with some kick-ass features. And you can whip up interactive vector graphics, cool tweet animations, and even games. Animating characters and shapes, a breeze with Animate. The timeline's super intuitive, and you've got all these features at your fingertip. What I really, really love about Adobe Animate is its vector brushes. They come in all sizes and settings for smoothness, pressure, and velocity. It's just fantastic. The timeline control is neat and packed with advanced animation goodies. And, the virtual camera feature, it's a game changer, letting you add panning, zooming, and more. You can sync audio with your animations, add loop effects, and export your masterpieces directly to Flash, HTML, SVG, and other platforms. And there's always a but, it's kind of tricky to learn. You'll need to invest some time to master it. Adobe tools have this learning curve, But hey, you also get access to Adobe's cloud services and can import content from other Adobe tools. Next, let's talk about Blender. This tool is amazing because it's open source and works on Linux, Windows, and Mac. Blender is your go-to for 3D animations, and it's stacked with features for rendering, modeling, and editing animations. The smooth 3D creation and editing in Blender, just awesome. The advanced animation and rigging tools let you create professional level stuff. Perfect for animations. You can add graphics, stabilize videos, and do masking and compositing. Blender simulation tools are top notch, and you can even customize the user interface to fit your style. Add shortcuts for the features you use most, and boom, you're set. And the best part, it's free. High level editing without spending a dime. The catch, it's got a pretty steep learning curve. It can feel a bit overwhelming, like you're piloting a spaceship or something. For beginners, I definitely recommend checking out some tutorials. Last but not least, let's talk about Filmora Pro. This tool is fantastic for making animated videos and is compatible with both Windows and Mac. You need to download it, but trust me, it's worth it. Filmora Pro is like an all-in-one tool for all your editing needs. It supports unlimited video tracks, offers noise reduction, automatic audio sync, motion graphics animation support, auto color correction, and an interface that's easy even for beginners. Filmora Pro handles a wide range of video and audio formats so you won't feel limited. It's super fast with quick functioning and short rendering times, making your editing process smoother and more efficient. The tool's got a bunch of audio features, but it's missing a sound equalizer. However, the noise reduction feature is pretty solid. And let me tell you, the pricing is just right. You can get a lifetime subscription at a price that's way more affordable than most leading animation tools. So there you have it, folks. The world of animated video creation is vast and exciting, and with tools like Adobe Animate, Blender, and Filmora Pro, you're all set to dive in and create some amazing stuff. Remember, each tool has its own flavor, so pick the one that suits your style and project needs. Happy animating, and don't forget to share and subscribe for more awesome reviews. Catch you in the next video.